Hello guys, welcome to a new video, to the next video in this tutorial series where we'll create a full-featured mobile app with authentication, with everything. So in this video we're going to create the projects. As you can see here, I have created a folder for the basic, the basic structure. Because maybe the project root, so to speak. So here we're going to have all our projects, in this case both of our projects, both the mobile app and the web server. So I'm going to open here. So now I have a command prompt in our root directory. So first of all, I'm going to create the mobile project. So I'm going to do Flutter create and like mobile app. I'm just going to call it mobile app because I don't want to call it like the project name, because then both they need different names. So I'm going to create mobile app. So wait for it to. So here we have the mobile app created. We're also going to create the web server, but now we need to create manually a folder called web. I'm just going to call it web server. So we have the mobile app and the web server. Actually, I guess that we should maybe have. No, I'm going to keep it consistent. So I'm going to go into the web server and do npm init. In this way, we create a new node project. Actually, we only generate a packaged JSON file, but that's what we do. Package name, I'm gonna keep web server. Version, gonna keep 1.0. No description. Entry point, I'm going to do app.js because we want. I want the file to be named app.js. That is a main file. Test command, nothing. Git repository, nothing. Keyboard, nothing. Author, nothing. Nothing. It's good. So here we have the web server, package JSON, here with the mobile app, all the mobile files. So now we have basically created the two projects, the mobile app project, the web server project. So in the next video, what we will do is I'm gonna do a quick introduction to, or not, it's actually not the introduction, it's actually the start of the project. But we're gonna start with the mobile app, because we need to do the foundation work on the mobile app before we start with web server, because we have no need of a web server if we don't have an app. And so we're gonna do foundation work for the app. I'm gonna also show you a little bit how it works. It's really powerful. And then we're going to create a web server when we need it. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next, hopefully.